Hey guys, welcome back. This is Archana here. I hope you all are doing good. So today I will be creating very simple yet beautiful wall decor piece. But before starting, if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Also hit that like button and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new videos you will get notification. So yeah, moving on to the project. Here for the base I have reused my old MDF panel, and I didn't like this project much, so I thought to reuse the base. And yeah, why not? Why to waste stuffs when you can recycle them, right? So yeah, okay, so here on this panel I already had texture, so to balance it out I applied black granite ground texture paste from Expressions Craft. This will create beautiful textural background. So here I don't wanted to use lot of fancy elements today on this project, so I mainly use Expressions Craft ground texture paste and yes, my all-time favorite chalk pens. So moving on, next here I have placed my focal element using Expressions Craft heavy gel medium. So this will keep your element intact to the background, and in future it won't fall off. And next I applied another ground texture paste white sand around the edges using palette knife, and I also applied a little bit of glass beads gel medium here and there. Look how yummy and wonderful those textures are looking. If you're a beginner and don't know from where to start and in which product to invest, then just go for this paste, and this paste will be your absolute saviors. Trust me, just use this paste and your project will be wow. So once everything dries completely, I cover my entire project using black gesso. Primer is very necessary in mixed media, as we use lot of different kind of stuffs for composition. So to prepare them for color and accept other mediums over it, primer is important. So next year, to color my project I use Expressions Craft chalk pen. I while applying color I always like to start with darker shade first and then lighter shade, so that way I just feel that we get beautiful blended look on the project. When you color this way you can definitely see like how beautifully the layers of color are forming, and at the same time you are getting shading and highlighting effect on the project. Once I'm happy with the color of this project, next to add highlights, I use metallic paint, and here you can see I use finger to apply the paint, but you can also use flat brush. And yeah, I am completely in love with this project. I just love how this project has turned out to be. If this project inspired you to create something, then don't forget to share with us. All our social media links are in the description box below. Also, do let me know your thoughts in the comments, as your words really boost my creativity. And yeah, I will be back with another project soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy creating.